Hey crafters, today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful wall hanging newspaper waste out of waste or room decor DIY. So let's get started. For this we need some wool, scissor, paintbrush, paper cutter, ruler, pencil, some fabric colors, ball chains, round and teardrop kundan stones, round mirrors, needle, colorful beads, border punch, printed papers, newspaper and glue gun. So let's get started. First we take 1/4 piece of newspaper and we roll it like this. Secure the end using glue. Now we take 15 by 15 centimeter cardboard piece or paper piece. Now we will apply glue and stick the pipes, newspaper pipe on it like this. Cover the whole piece of paper with the newspaper's pipes and cut the excess. And it's done. Here as you can see I cut the excess newspaper pipes and it will get shape. Now I will paint it with the green and light green color. Here I am mixing some white color with green to make the light shade of green. Mix it well and here our color is ready. Now I will paint it in between like this. Let it dry for some time. Now I will show you how to create this very beautiful stone. For this we need OHP sheet, round kundan stone and some ball chains. First apply some glue on the OHP sheet and paste the round kundan stone. Now apply some glue around the stone and take your green ball chain and just wrap it around the stone like this. Now I will use blue ball chain and follow the process till the 4 layers, 2 green ball chain layers and 2 blue ball chain layers. And it's done now. After drying it will look like this. Now we will decorate it. For the middle one, here I am using some kundan stones round and teardrop shape, making a flower kind shape. And now I am using some round mirrors on the corner sides like this. Now I will use these corners. For this I am using some border punch which I created with the help of this machine, border punch machine. Now I will paste it. Apply some glue on our border punch. And paste it like this. Similarly, I will decorate all the four corners with the help of this border punch. Now I will paste the stones which we created earlier on the corners like this. And it's done. Similarly, I have created one more. Here I am using blue. The whole combination is blue and green. Now I am taking a piece of cardboard which measurement is 15 by 15 centimeter. Now I will paste newspaper on it. Now I am using Burberry's printed paper. Here I am using this one. Now I will paste it on our cardboard piece. And it's done now. Here I am using some sentiment which I have. Life is better when you are laughing. You can also use your photo or any other sentiment as you want. Now I will paste it on our piece. Here I am creating a dome-like shape. For this, first I press the whole newspaper pipe like this. Now I created a tight coil with the help of all the three pipes. And here it's done. Now I push it slowly and making a dome like shape. Now I will apply some glue in inner part and spread it over with the help of brush. Now I will paint it with the yellow. and it's done. Now let it dry for some time. Now I am taking a piece of wool and apply some glue on the top of this and making a needle like shape. Now I am inserting some beads randomly. I will insert total 10 beads. Now I will insert this wool in the needle and after that in the dome like this. And for the pasting it, here I am using a piece of paper and that's it. And it's done. Similarly I have created 6 more domes. Now I will paste these dome like shapes on our wall hanging part one by one. Here I am using glue gun. You can also use any other strong glue. Similarly I will paste all the dome shapes with the wall hanging part. I am using 2 for the first and second one, and for the third one I will use 3. Now I will join all the 3 shapes well together like this. Here I am using satin ribbon for sticking them together. Apply some glue and paste. Similarly I will apply some glue on the other one. Now I will paste. And this third one. And here I am using the piece of ribbon again to make it hang. Also I am using the piece of paper to make it strong. And it's done. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting video and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.